Hey everyone, did you know your iPhone has a secret button you're probably not even using? It's not on the side or the screen, it's right on the back. This hidden feature is called Back Tap, and it's a total game changer for how you use your phone every day. Let me show you how to set it up. It's super simple. Just open your Settings app, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then go into Touch. At the very bottom, you'll see Back Tap. From there, you can choose what happens when you double tap or triple tap the back of your phone. Personally, I set my double tap to take a screenshot. It's so much faster than fumbling with the side buttons. I also have my triple tap set to open the control center. You can customize it to do almost anything, like opening the camera, turning on the flashlight, or even running a Siri shortcut. Go give it a try and let me know in the comments what you set yours to. Thanks for watching.